In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the high beam, low beam bulb on a Nissan NV2500. It is located behind the headlight assembly. On the back side of your headlight, you have two sockets, an upper and a lower. Your lower is your high beam and low beam. That is the one we're going to be replacing. You reach your hand down, grab a hold of the bulb. You want to turn it counterclockwise and pull straight out. To remove your bulb from your socket, pull down on this red tab, push down on the green button, pull straight out. There's your bulb. To install your bulb, slide the bulb into the socket, wait for the click, slide your red tab. Now you're ready to install it into the headlight assembly. On your headlight bulb, you have these three tabs. On your headlight assembly, you have three holes. You want to line those holes up with the tabs before you turn it clockwise. Now that we have our three tabs lined up, you want to push straight in and turn it clockwise until it locks.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.